truck arrives, sprays water, and helps lift the cars away. Don't worry, kids. The fire truck is here to save the day. Everyone is safe now. Hello, kids. Welcome to Cars for Kids Toys. This is a long city bus. Kids, you enjoy this bus journey? Bus is waiting. This bus is a city bus. This bus toy color is red, and this is double-decker bus to enjoy city view. Bus is waiting. Look! The garbage truck toy for kids is here! In the best learning videos for kids, the garbage truck cleans the city and keeps it shiny! Garbage truck collects the garbage from the city! Kids always throw trash in dustbin! This sweeper truck cleaned the city! Good job! The orange sweeper truck cleans the streets slowly. The sweeper truck is making the city clean and shiny! Great job! Always follow traffic rules. Our toys have an accident. Call to the ambulance. Call to the fire truck to save the day. Kids always remember, help people in emergency. Ambulance toys coming to save the day. Look at this big fire truck video for kids. The fire truck is ready to save the day. Here comes the fire truck. Wee woo, wee woo. Ambulance toy. Ambulance save the life. Kids always help people in emergency. Sharing is caring lesson for kids. Look, toy have an accident. Kids ambulance is here to save the day. Fire truck. Toy fire truck and emergency vehicles always come in emergency. Look how fire truck rescue. This is the best rescue story for kids. Welcome to the yummy ice cream kiosk story for kids. Pick your favorite flavor and play pretend shop with Cars for Kids toys. Ice cream truck is here. Kids, which flavor ice cream you like? Now here comes the strong red wood carrying truck. Look at those tiny wooden logs. It's time for some construction fun. The truck lifts and loads the wood onto its trolley. Kids, this truck teaches teamwork and smart play learning with fun! Today, our farming tractor toy starts an amazing day on the farm. Let's see how it works! The big green tractor drives slowly across the field, ready to start farming work. First, the tractor plows the soil, making soft lines in the ground to grow new crops. Look at the powerful tires rolling through the dirt, teaching kids how real farm tractors move. Now the tractor pulls a trailer filled with seeds, moving carefully across the farm road. The farmer toy spreads seeds everywhere, showing how crops are planted. Bus is waiting. This is a long city bus. Kids, you enjoy this bus journey? Wait, kids! Someone is coming! The dump truck is working hard with other construction vehicles for children. Wow! A big truck carrying excavator toys. Best learning video for kids. A big truck toy for kids. Wow! Look at this strong truck. It can carry sand, stones, and blocks at the construction site. Vroom, vroom! The yellow truck is ready for hard work. Wow! Look inside. It's carrying colorful containers full of surprises. This toy helps kids learn colors, shapes, and how real trucks carry goods across the city. A police car blocks the road and shouts, "Stop! Stop the truck!" The cargo truck slows down for a safety check. Kids learn traffic rules with police car toys and fun road adventure. The road is broken and the cars are shaking. The truck toys slow down as the police car warns everyone. construction toys fix bad roads and make driving safe again. The road is damaged, so the construction toys get to work. Excavator, dump truck, and road roller fix the broken road. Kids learn how construction machines rebuild and make the road smooth again. This is a yellow bulldozer. Bulldozer is coming to rebuild the road. Construction toys helping in construction work. Kids, you like construction vehicles? More toys are coming soon. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching Cars for Kids Toys. Subscribe for more fun videos.